Good morning, Sun Bear. This is Miss Hui Hsien. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bird. I'm going to use the whiteboard at the back and show you step by step. Come, let's start. First, you draw a circle for the bird, and then you draw two eyes, and then after that you draw a triangle for the beak and two little dots at the back and a line, and then a semicircle like this to make it look smiley, and then a little feather at the top. Okay, now we are going into the body. We do an oval shape for the bird's body like this, and then we goes to the wings, a little bit curly at the side like this, and this side too, and then the little legs like this, and the other side as well. There you go. That's your little bird. If you try to do this, it's very simple. After you have done this, you can actually color it in too. So Sun Bear, hope you enjoy doing the drawing. I'll see you again. Bye.